Well, I guess this is going to be an unboxing. I wanted some boots that were similar well, I wanted some Merrill Moab to the mid-tactical, but I was not paying that price. So, looked to find something that was similar. Found several, but these aesthetically looked a lot like the Merrill Moab 2 mid-tactical. Plus, the reviews seemed okay, and they actually, well, the company states these have a rubber sole, so that's good. They are Xpeti X Force, and they just came in. The box was a little dinged up, but I really don't care about that. Just make sure that the shoes aren't. Comes with a little manual here, I guess. Warranty. They actually have a warranty from what it says. Xpeti guarantees its shoes for 6 months from date of purchase. We shall see. Yeah. Basics, cleaning, drying, protection, all that. But inspired by nature, it should say inspired by Merrill. Anyway, these are boots. They seem like they're built fairly well. Up front, it's rubber, so it should hold up nicely. Decent, solid construction. They look great. Soles feel nice. Should get decent grip. And for $59.99, if they do hold up, that's not a bad deal. So we shall see. I'm going to put these to the test on a lot of trail and a lot of rock, really, primarily. Some very uneven terrain. But aesthetically, they look fantastic. And the construction seems pretty solid, like a good solid boot. The rubber sole part, that's kind of why I went this direction. I saw a few different other, I guess, similar type boots, but I went with these because of the rubber sole. So I will post something in about 6 months from now. Kind of, just go off what they say. They guarantee it for 6 months. I'll put it to the test. I'm going to run these across a lot of trail and a ton of rock. So we'll see how they hold up. So I'll post something in about 6 months, maybe August, September, somewhere around there. And I will show you what they look like then. But yeah, these are the Xpeti X Force. Yeah, Xpeti X Force. And for $59.99, if they hold up, it's not bad. Not bad at all. But aesthetically and construction-wise, they look great.